It is with great pride that we celebrate the outstanding achievements of 17 Outstanding Pearson Learner Awards and 26 high achiever students from Sekolah Terpadu Pahoa. Congratulations!
Welcome to the Outstanding Pearson Learner Award 2025.
Especially Ms. Bun Tin Eng, Head of Business Development Pearson Edexcel Southeast Asia, and Ibu Prestasi Imani. Welcome and thank you for being here. We are honored by your presence and grateful for your role in today's ceremony. To our teachers, to our parents, these achievements belong to you all as well. And to our students, congratulations. You earned this moment through hard work, determination, and resilience. Today is not a finish line. It's a milestone. A reminder of what you can achieve when you give your best effort.
I'm Bun Tin Eng, Head of Business Development for Southeast Asia for Pearson School Qualifications. Ladies and gentlemen, Pearson is the world's learning company and the largest awarding organization in the UK. We are driven by the steadfast mission to empower individuals to advance in their lives through the transformation power of education. Globally, we partner with schools, universities, and employers to offer our international GCSE, A-level, and BTEC qualifications. More than 3.5 million students and thousands of international schools achieve their education vision through Pearson annually. Before I conclude my speech, I wish to extend my heartfelt congratulations once again to all the esteemed award winners on their impressive achievements. Your exceptional skills, knowledge, and ideas will undoubtedly play a pivotal role in shaping not only our society, but also the broader global community we are part of. Thank you and have a wonderful ceremony.
My name is Mahetua Effenly and I'm a student of Pahoa High School. When I first heard of the Pearson qualifications exams, I made it a goal to achieve a perfect score on the mathematics subject. So to achieve this, I first, of course, have to figure out and answer all of the questions correctly. And it also influenced me on the way I studied to understand new concepts instead of memorizing. So for other students that will be attending Pearson Edexcel International Qualifications, never give up. I know it's hard to study every day and stay motivated, so keep supporting each other and do your best. I'd like to thank the Pearson team for making all of this happen, and my parents for supporting me, my teachers, all of my teachers who have taught me, and my friends and everyone else who support me along the way. So thank you everyone, and that's it for my speech. Thank you.